Hi everyone, my name is Andika Diputra, and in this video I will deliver speech about my opinion about the new President of Indonesia, Mr. Prabowo Subianto, and I will present about the question word. Okay, let's go straight to the first topic. The first topic is, what is my opinion about the new President of Indonesia? In my opinion, Prabowo election as Indonesia's new President is the result of his strong popularity, broad political support, and his image as a firm and experienced figure. Many people choose him with the hope that he will bring real change, especially in the area of the economy, public welfare, and national defense. Prabowo's success as president will greatly depend on how well he can fulfill the promise he has made. My hope is that President Prabowo remains firm in carrying out his duty, is not easily influenced by political party, and that his leadership can bring change that people can truly feel, even if those changes may not come quickly. Maybe just that for my opinion. And second, I will present about the question word. Question word. What is question word? Question word or WH word is a word used in a sentence to ask a question or raise a question, whether about an object, action, or situation. An interrogative word is used to obtain an answer to a question. The answer can be information, an explanation, or a statement. Next, characteristic of question word. First, always placed at the beginning of a question. Second, used to ask for specific information, not yes or no. Third, each offline word have a different function. 4. Follow the structure WH plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. 5. Must begin with WH, except how. Next, function of question word. First, ask for specific information. 2. Clarify unknown facts. 3. Start formal or informal conversation. Next, what is 8W plus 1H? 8W plus 1H is a complete questioning framework used to gather full, clear, and structured information. It ensures that no important detail is missing when analyzing events, writing reports, or answering questions. 8W plus 1H consists of what, who, where, when, why, which, whose, whom plus how. This question words ensure information is complete, clear, and detailed. To make clear, I'll discuss the 9 question words one by one. First is what, used to ask about something or general information like object, activities, or facts. 2. Why, used to ask for the reason or cause of something. 3. Where, used to ask about a place or location. 4. Who, used to ask about a person as the subject of the sentence. 5. Whose, used to ask about ownership. 6. Whom, used to ask about the person as the object of the sentence. 7. When, used to ask about time or when an event happens. 8 is which, used to when you want to ask for choice. Last is how, used to ask about the method or process by which an event or action. Next is tips for using question word. First is choose the question right word, like where for place, when for time. 2. Follow correct word order. 3. Pay attention to the verb. Do, does, did as needed. 4. Use rising intonation. 5. Keep it simple and clear. 6. Match form to context, like whom formal, who casual. Example sentence and function of what. Example sentence: what is your name? What are you doing? What time is it? What do you mean? The function is to obtain information about certain objects, activities, or concepts in conversation or situation. Who? Example sentence: who are you? Who sing this song? Who made this? Who is that woman? The function is to help us identify the relevant person or subject in a context. Where? Example sentence: where are you now? Where do you live? Where are your parents? Where did you go on vacation last week? The function is to ask about the location or place where an event occurred in a conversation or situation. When? Example sentence: when is your birthday? When can we meet again? When is the deadline? When did you go to Manchester? The function is to obtain information about a specific time or period in a conversation or situation and to help us understand the sequence or schedule event. Why? Example sentence: why should I trust you? Why you buy this car? Why the color of sky is blue? Why you so pretty? The function is to ask about the reason behind an event, action, occurrence, or situation. So, when we want to know why something happened or someone did something. Which? Example sentence: which song is your favorite? Which one do you like? Which store has a discount? Which car should I buy? The function is to request information about a particular choice from a number of available options to assist us in decision making or to identify a specific object or person in particular situation or context. Whose? Example sentence: whose book is this? Whose idea was that? Whose dog is barking loudly? Whose car is parking outside? The function is to ask about ownership or who owns a particular object or thing. Whom? Example sentence: whom are you talking to? For whom is this gift? Whom should I ask for help? Whom did she invite to the party? The function is to help us determine the relationship between the subject and object in sentence. Last is how. Example sentence: how to cook fried rice. How old are you? How are you? How do you learn Japanese language? The function is to obtain information about the method or procedure involved in a situation or activity. How to form WH question. 1. WH question with auxiliary verbs. WH words plus auxiliary verbs plus subject plus main verb plus question mark. 2. WH question with modal verb. WH word plus modal verb plus subject plus main verb plus question mark. Example: what should I do? 3. WH question without auxiliary or modal verbs. WH word plus main verb plus question mark. Example: who won the match? Next, positive and negative WH question. Disclaimer: this question can be positive or negative depending on whether you are asking about something that exists or has happened is positive, or something that hasn't or didn't happen is negative. For example, positive: which restaurant opened during this period? How are you feeling today? Who is coming to the party? For example, negative. Which restaurant doesn't open during this period? How aren't you feeling well? Who isn't coming to the party? Thank you for you to watch and listening this video. I hope this presentation was helpful. Thank you.